We are on location here with iMedical Equipment and Service, and we're going through a brand new surgical facility that we're setting up. This is one of the OR rooms. There's going to be a total of 6 OR rooms going into this facility with the group that we're working with, and we're setting up the first 2 right now. I've done a couple other videos. I have a couple of the OR tables here in the front of the shot, and those are the AMSCO STERIS 3080 SP and the 3085 SP. And as this surgery center is getting ready to open, we're starting to stage a few of the items here in the operating room. And we supply everything you need for setting up an entire OR. So we've got OR lights that we can set up. We can do installation on OR lights. And once again, we do the operating room tables, anesthesia. Over here we've got crash carts, stainless steel tables, ESUs, there's kick buckets, wash bins, anesthesia carts. More equipment is going to be put in here as the day goes on, and this is the first stage of setting up 6 operating rooms, and operating room 1 and operating room 2 we'll be setting up here within the next 24 hours. And once again, this is a brand new building, brand new facility. And we're selling them. All these items are Biomed certified, patient ready, coming with the full 1-year warranty. We're going to help them with their certification to get all their state certifications done and operating manuals. We're going to be also doing the in-service training for the staff. And for items like the Force FX, the ESU, we're bringing in all the disposables, so when the doctor comes in, all they have to do is basically flip a switch and go right to performing their procedures. So with iMedical Equipment and Service, we not only sell the equipment, we do go on site and do the installation. This is a facility right here that's brand new in Houston, Texas. So if you're looking for equipment, it's once again not just the equipment, but also the service and also the warranty. Items like the OR tables come completely refurbished. Everything on this table has been redone on the inside with brand new hydraulics and fuses. The outside has all been painted, brand new boards on the top, stainless steel polished, everything ready to go, ready to plug and play. So with iMedical Equipment and Service, if you're looking for surgical equipment, if you're looking to outfit an operating room, we have everything you need. With one call, we can get you all set up. And some of the items we sell are brand new. Some of the items we sell are fully refurbished. But we can get you the best priced equipment for the best value for your new facility, whether it's a hospital, brand new surgery center, operating room, whatever it may be. So give us a call at iMedical Equipment and Service. We're located in California, 858-263-4894. We're also in Richmond, Virginia, 804-929-6886. You can also get more information and pricing off our website, www.imedicalshop.com. iMedical Equipment and Service, everything you need for an operating room and a surgical center. iMedical Equipment and Service, we are your one-stop shop for all your medical equipment needs.